For years, scientists have debated the extent to which social bonds and relationships influence the development of Homo sapiens. Some researchers have argued that our ability to form complex social networks and cooperate with one another played a key role in our success as a species. Others have suggested that other factors, such as our advanced cognitive abilities, were the driving force behind our evolution. Now, a team of anthropologists and geneticists from around the world has shed new light on this question. Using genetic data from more than 1,000 individuals from diverse populations, the researchers analyzed patterns of gene flow and genetic diversity within and between different groups. They found that human relationships, including kinship and friendship ties, have been a major driver of genetic diversity and adaptation throughout our evolutionary history. According to the study's lead author, Dr. Sarah Smith of the University of Cambridge, we've long known that humans are highly social animals, but this study shows just how important relationships have been to our evolution. Our ability to form strong bonds with others, to cooperate and share resources, has allowed us to adapt and thrive in diverse environments around the world. The study also revealed some surprising insights into the nature of human relationships. For example, the researchers found that genetic diversity was higher among individuals who were closely related to one another, suggesting that inbreeding may have played a positive role in our evolutionary history. While the findings are sure to spark further debate and discussion among scientists, they also have important implications for our understanding of human nature and the role of relationships in our lives today. As Dr. Smith notes, understanding the importance of relationships in our evolution can help us better appreciate the value of social connections in our modern lives. Whether we're talking about family, friends, or even online communities, the bonds we form with others are a fundamental part of what makes us human. It is unlikely that human civilization could have been achieved without relationships. Relationships, whether they are social, familial, or romantic, are a fundamental aspect of human nature and have played a critical role in the development of human civilization. Humans are social animals, and relationships are necessary for our survival and well-being. From early hunter-gatherer societies to modern-day civilizations, humans have relied on relationships to form communities, share resources, and solve problems collectively. Relationships have also facilitated the exchange of knowledge and ideas, which has been crucial for technological and cultural advancements. Furthermore, relationships have played an essential role in human reproduction and the continuation of the species. The formation of families and the nurturing of children have been central to the development of human societies, and without these relationships, it is unlikely that human civilization could have progressed to where it is today. In short, relationships are a fundamental aspect of human nature and have played an essential role in the development of human civilization. Without relationships, it is unlikely that humans could have survived, let alone achieved the technological, cultural, and social advancements that characterize modern human civilization. In recent times, there has been a growing discussion about the difference between the civilization that individuals can achieve and the development and sustainability of civilization through human relationships. While the former focuses on individual achievements, the latter emphasizes the importance of community and interpersonal connections in creating a stable and prosperous society. To understand the contrast between the two, let us take a closer look at a real-life scenario. Imagine two neighboring towns, both with similar levels of individual achievement and material wealth. However, one town has a strong sense of community and a culture of collaboration, while the other is marked by competition and individualism. The first town is characterized by a strong social fabric. People know each other, care for each other, and work together to build a better future. This sense of community allows them to weather crises and overcome challenges that would otherwise be insurmountable. They are also able to create a vibrant cultural scene, with local festivals, events, and traditions that celebrate their shared identity. In contrast, the second town is marked by a lack of social cohesion. People are focused on their own individual goals and interests, and there is little cooperation or collaboration. While they may have achieved similar levels of material success, they are more vulnerable to social unrest and are less able to cope with crises or disasters. In essence, the difference between these two towns lies in the quality of their human relationships. While individual achievement is important, it is ultimately unsustainable without a foundation of social connection and community. As we move forward in an increasingly complex and interconnected world, it is important to remember that our collective success is dependent on our ability to build and sustain strong human relationships. By investing in our communities and fostering a culture of collaboration and cooperation, we can create a civilization that is not only prosperous, but also resilient, inclusive, and sustainable. It is difficult to say definitively whether or not humans would have been able to achieve our current level of scientific development without relationships, as relationships have played a significant role in shaping human history and progress. Human beings are social creatures, and our ability to collaborate and share knowledge has been a driving force behind many scientific discoveries and advancements. Without relationships, it is possible that humans would not have been able to form the communities and networks necessary for sustained scientific progress. Furthermore, many scientific breakthroughs have been the result of collaborations between individuals with diverse perspectives and areas of expertise, and these collaborations are often facilitated by personal relationships and connections. For example, the discovery of the structure of DNA was made possible by the close working relationship between James Watson and Francis Crick. That being said, it is possible that humans could have made scientific progress through alternative means if we had not developed relationships in the way that we have. It is impossible to know for sure, however, as relationships have been such a fundamental part of human society and progress throughout history. Communicate. Communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and it's especially important during challenging times. Be open and honest with your partner about your thoughts, feelings, and needs. Listen to their perspective with empathy and understanding. Don't let misunderstandings or unspoken frustrations fester and grow into larger problems. Remember that no relationship is perfect, and disagreements and conflicts are normal. It's how you handle those disagreements that matters. Try to approach conflicts as an opportunity to work together to find a solution that benefits both parties. Finally, remember to show appreciation and gratitude for your partner. Small acts of kindness and expressions of love can go a long way in strengthening your bond and creating a happy and fulfilling relationship.